Oh boy, I cannot believe what just happened. I lost 40K in one day in a stock. Look, like on 9th of April, I had 138K, and in just one day, I lost 40K. I don't know. It feel. I never thought before, but sometimes like losing money, it can gives you a physical pain, like my muscles sore. And in the total, I lost 73K. I I don't know what. I have no idea what should I do. And this was the money that I collected over the long years. That's my saving that I decided to. I wanted to buy a house, but to be honest, I went and I saw a house and I had 20K, 20K lower for that house, and I I agree. I made something stupid, and then I went online and I watched some Instagram videos. They said that I don't know. It shows rich people. He said that I do like day trading, blah blah, and then I made a mistake and I said that okay. So if I put all of my money in one very small stock, a stock that can fluctuate a lot in one day, then for example I can first compensate the loss that I had before. It was like 70K, 40, it's like 30K I had lost, and then after that I can also buy a house. Oh boy. And then I don't know. Then yeah, and I was thinking even if it goes up, maybe it can goes up. I don't know, 2 times, 3 times, or oh boy, I just watched some Instagram stupid post stories that oh it can go 10K, 10x up, then I would become millionaire. And I agree. I did a big mistake, and then I put it here, and in one day it just went 40K down. Oh my god. I I really have no idea what should I do. Like I think it will take about, I don't know, 5 6 years that I can save this money. And to be honest, the pain is not that I lost it. It's okay if all of the money was mine, that was okay. Like some of this money was from my family. My father gave me that I buy a house, and still I didn't tell him, and I have no idea what should I do. So one reason that I made this video is that maybe you can feel better about yourself if you think you did something stupid, or if you think you lost some investment, you can at least feel a little bit better about yourself. And the other one is that, like, you see, you whenever you go on, like, in on Instagram, you see a lot of people, which now I believe good portion of them are fake, and then they said, oh, we are successful, blah blah, like I did a risk and I did one thing and then I become like a millionaire. So probably if you want to do it, you have to be careful, and you should not really fall in that category, because I knew it could happen to me, this thing, and I did not a very clever decision, and I said that okay, I can become millionaire in one day. So if I put all the money that I collect for a house in a stock, then I can get a lot of money in a very short time. And you should probably, the reason was that, like, for example, when I go on Instagram and something like that, I always think that okay, so I buy a house, and then in Instagram it says that okay, if you buy a house, still you have to pay a mortgage for 30 years. The house is not yours, so you are not really rich, still you have to work. And sometimes you feel bad about yourself. You said that okay, so even if your situation is good, when you go and see such videos, you feel bad about yourself, and then you try to jump or do something very risky to get a lot of money, which in reality it couldn't happen. In reality, um, it's not that logical that in one day you can make million of dollar. And yeah, like for me, for example, I had good money, I could buy a house, and then even with that situation, which was good, still I went to Instagram and I see this story, and I feel very bad about myself. I feel like a very poor broke person, because you go there, every person says that oh, I am rich, I have this car, I have like Lamborghini, I have this house, I have three house. And I said that okay, I don't have anything. And the reason that I did it was that I said that okay, I have nothing, because like compared to what I saw on Instagram, I was nothing. And then I said that okay, I will take this big risk. Either I go and become like very rich, or I don't have anything, because at that point I couldn't see what I have. But oh boy, when I lost it, and now I see that I have no idea. Like it takes a lot of time that I can compensate this loss. It's about 73k losses. It takes so many years. So yeah, let me know what should I do. I don't think I can do a lot of thing about it, but yeah, thank you for watching.